Now you can do multiple trade deals on time without facing cash flow issues. Have you suffered a business loss in the year 2020 and early 2021 due to COVID-19 and its consequences? Now it's the right time to take your business to the next level. Since the trade market is booming and the demand for almost all products are rising, you can start your import business without any second thought. But thinking about how you will arrange the cash funds to start your trading business? That's why we are here. We at Bronze Wing Trading L.L.C. extend our trade finance support on behalf of traders, which helps them to conclude their trade deals on time without facing any cash flow issues. Our trade finance services include letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank comfort letter, and different types of bank guarantees. We are the leading trade finance providers in Dubai who can provide trade finance support at zero collateral and minimum service charges. To get the required trade finance support from international standard banks, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971455196999. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.